In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Safelite discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Safelite discount promo code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and search for couponfollow.com website. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this $50 off your next order, all you need to do is select your coupon code from right here. This is the promo code that you can copy and apply this one on your next order to get this $50 discount. Also, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com that also has a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. And for example, if I want to get this $15 of discount, all I need to do is select shop copy code from right here, and this is the promo code. I can copy this promo code from here and apply this one on my next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.